Welcome to my channel. Today's video is yung nakita namin we saw it in other vlogger.
May rice, yung kinakain nila, rice, and then tuna, remain na namin ito, and then the seaweed, and then our mayo, kay we like spicy, so especially me, we get the mayo with sriracha.
Okay. We mix the the tuna. Lagay nila ng tuna. And then, sriracha. Ano to? Mayo. Spicy mayo na ito. Wow. Dami. Tapos, mix lang natin. Open ng mix. Siyempre, this is our baby Lilo. Yeah. That's our Lilo na matapang. Tapang sa iba. Tinanong ko yung anak ko kung samahan niya ako nito mag-vlog. Pumayag naman siya. I-rate namin to after. Okay? Okay, let's eat. Thank you, Lord, for this food. I-rate natin to after. Good. Yeah. With egg. It's good. And let's make it too. I like this one. That's good. It's good, guys. Really good. Very great. 7. Me is maybe 9. 8 to 9 for me. And it's good. Busog. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't skip the outro. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching Gina's channel. Bye-bye.